if this all turns out to be true and it happens quickly, I know many Siri users that will be very pleased, Mark. I imagine that we're looking at sort of dates and months when this might happen.
Yeah, so Apple's holding what they call a bake-off internally, where they're trying to determine what's the best direction for the future of Siri. Right now, Siri runs on what they call Apple Foundation models. In other words, underlying technology developed by Apple, right? We know from experience that in use, it's not always very good or as powerful as the competition. And so they're looking at what would it look like if Siri, instead of being powered by Apple technology, was powered by outside technology. And so they have begun talking in recent weeks with Google about the prospect of using Gemini models to power Siri. Previously, they've held very similar discussions with Anthropic. They got pretty deep with them, and to OpenAI to a lesser extent. So right now, basically trying to determine whether they should work with OpenAI, Anthropic, or Gemini, or stick to the status quo, which is their in-house model technology.
Is it going to be a cost decision or an efficiency decision?
It's a mix of everything. Anthropic, I'm told in the talks with Apple, have set a pretty high bar for pricing. OpenAI, obviously, are going public in a couple of years, so they want to hold a very high bar on pricing as well. Gemini, they have an existing relationship with Apple in terms of the parent company, Google, their larger $20 billion or so a year search deal that could be upended by the Department of Justice any week now. So there's certainly a lot of factors at play. I think, if you ask me personally, that 99% of consumers don't know or don't care who's powering the AI technology on their devices. They just want Siri to work. So I think at the end of the day, Apple's going to do what's best for the customer, but we shall see.